Hi everyone, my name is Ali Reza. Welcome to this course. In this tutorial you will learn Python for beginner, intermediate and advanced. Intro and setup. Python 3 beginner 1. In this course, in this video you will learn, here are the topics: variables and data structures, input and output, selection, functions, iteration, file 1.0, exception handling, and modules. And about Python. Interpretive language. What that means? It means anyone can open and read your code. That's great. It's a great way to learn because you can read others' code and code. It's a great way to do. And in this tutorial, I'm gonna give you extra. You just watch the videos, the code, how I code, and do that. And I will give you extra information about Python and some great tips. So setup: Linux or OS X, no problem. You may have to, you can install Python 3 on everything, Linux, Windows. I'll cover that installation after that. You just have to open the terminal for Linux. How to test that? Type Python 3 on the line we want 3.x 3.2 3.3 I'm sorry, at time of video. If not installed, type this: sudo apt get install Python 3. Type Python 3, type print hello world, hit enter. Success. Linux and OS X can move on to the next video. And here we go. We go to Linux, Ubuntu. We type Python 3, Python 3.2.3. apt get install Python 3. Reading package list, done. Building dependency free. Reading package list, yeah, I said that. Python 3 is already the newest version, upgraded, newly installed. Remove and 640 not upgraded. Python 3v, Python 3.2. Yeah, as you see, watch the video carefully. There are many tips in the video. Type help, copyright, credits or license for more information. Print hello world, and yeah, that's it, as you see. And about Windows installation, we must download Python from python.org. Link would be in the description, or I show you how to download it. Just go to python.org and you can download it from that site. We want 3.x version. Install Python, and once installed you are ready to test. We test. Navigate to start Python 3.3. The command line, run the Python. We can now execute Python code. Type print hello world, and yep, hit enter. Success. And you can create a shortcut. Just listen carefully. This video is for all the levels: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. If you watch it carefully, you will learn Python from zero to hero. That is very great. In this video you learned how to set up, and it was an introduction. In the next video you will learn variables. Feel free to leave any question in the comments.